Hola! My name is Regina, and today I'm going to show you another sensory play activity called sensory bags. You might have seen this before. However, what I'm going to show you today is a wide range of possibilities to play with bags by using different materials. There will be options that are more suitable to play with younger babies. Another will be perfect to try with children up to 3. And you can put the bags on top of a table or on the floor, or you can stick them up on the wall or on the window. Place a large piece of paper on the play area, and I recommend using old clothes. One of my favorite bags is the one with coconut oil and paint, and it's very soft and great to squeeze, and it has a lovely smell. Non-toxic paint or food coloring, sunflower oil, water, coconut oil, glitter. However, I would not recommend using glitter with very young babies, or make sure the child is always supervised by an adult. Spices such as turmeric or sweet paprika, zip plastic bags, and sellotape. Into this bag, I'm only putting paint and sunflower oil. And make sure you seal it properly with tape. To play with this bag, I used sunflower oil, paint and glitter, but I would not recommend using glitter with very young babies. For this one, I used sunflower oil, paint and glitter as well. This bag has the same materials than the previous one, sunflower oil, paint and glitter, but I also added water into it. And this time I decided to tape it on the wall to play with it. To play with this one, I only used paint with 2 different colors, and I squeezed and mixed them, applying pressure on the bag. Also, it has a lovely effect if you use a window or a light box to play with it. If you add coconut oil into the bag with paint, it will become softer and perfect to squeeze. And the more quantity of coconut oil used, the softer the bag will be. Let's hang it up on the window to play with it. Also, it has a beautiful effect when I squeeze the bag and the light comes through. And surprisingly, you can feel the smell of the coconut oil while playing. This bag has flour, paint and water, so it's a great option for the youngest because it has a lovely soft texture. Here I used turmeric and coconut oil, and I taped it on the window, and I really like the light, the texture and again the smell. Into this bag I put star shapes glitter, sunflower oil and water. And again, make sure the child is always supervised by an adult, especially when it comes to play with glitter. Something I forgot to say, you can also use double bag to prevent the bag from breaking. And the last one has just sunflower oil and water. And I really like the bubbles and the effect of the light coming through.